Welcome to Dave Arbogast, your exclusive SCA performance dealer. We have over 50 new and used lifted trucks ready for delivery. Let's take a look. This is a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Black Widow Armed Forces Edition lifted truck. Under the hood, you have a 6.2 liter EcoTec3 V8 engine with dynamic fuel management and 10-speed transmission. This is a 3.23 rear axle ratio, and it also has electronic stability control. This is a 4-door crew cab body style. The exterior color on this is a Black Widow custom military desert tan matte color. This is only available through SCA Black Widow. Red exposed front tow hooks, painted front grille surround to match the body color, window tint. These are 22-inch Black Widow gloss black wheels with milled spokes. They also have 35-inch Toyo open country tires on them, and the SCA red caliper covers with SCA Performance logo. Bolt-on style fender flares, wheel-to-wheel black step bars that also have the Black Widow logos on them. Black Widow hood vent, a 6-inch suspension lift from SCA Performance, multi-pro tailgate, rear bumper corner step, powder-coated stainless steel exhaust tips. Military graphics throughout the vehicle remind you that this is, of course, that Armed Forces Special Edition, SCA Black Widow. Black Widow puddle projectors. This truck is also equipped with a technology package. It does include an HD surround vision camera, rear view camera mirror, and heads-up display. This also has the AT4 premium package on it. That includes things such as navigation, wireless charging pad. This also comes with the driver alert package too, with lane keep assist and lane departure warning that you can control on or off. Front pedestrian braking, follow distance indicator, safety alert seat. Painted to match interior trim that also matches the desert tan matte color that's on the outside. Push button start, remote start, heated and ventilated front seats. In addition to the jet black seats that are heated and ventilated, they also have the Kalahari accent colors and custom stitched Black Widow headrests. Rear seat connection ports and heated outboard seats and hidden seat back storage. This also has 4-wheel shift on the fly, memory seats with easy exit driver seat, power folding mirrors. Call 888-919-1635 to schedule your VIP test drive and find out why Dave Arbogast is driven to satisfaction.